So what is going on, guys? Kappa here, and today I have some exciting news. We finally got a project car. Now, this is a 1987 Chevy Caprice. This is a one-owner car. It was bought in Florida and sold back to me in Florida, so it's going to stay in Florida. Um, it's a brougham edition. It has power windows, power seats. It's actually their most loaded version of the car that they had at the time. You know, granted it's a four-door, but I actually had a four-door when I was a kid, so this is like right up my alley. I kind of love these cars. So what we're going to do here is we're going to take this thing down to bare metal. We're going to put some paint on there. We're going to put some wire wheels on there. We're going to put some hydraulics on there. We're going to reinforce the frame. We're going to do a bunch of stuff to this car. It's going to be like a totally new car when it's done. I mean, we may even swap out the motor, put an LS in there. I'm not really sure where we're going to go with it, but only time will tell. I'm just happy that we have something to work on. So even here, popping the trunk, I'm throwing it back. I happened to go through my storage unit and I found a bunch of fabric from back in the day. Louis Vuitton, Gucci, Burberry, you name it. There's a lot of it in here. So I might even do a little throwback, throw some Gucci up in the headliner, maybe on the seats, who knows. But as you can see, the carpet is really clean on this car. It had the carpet kit. Everything seems to be really clean. The only spots I've seen that are kind of iffy are right here behind the back window. Now I can clearly see that that's rotted away, so we may have to go to the junkyard, pull out a new panel. You know, we're probably going to be sandblasting back here because I'm sure the water just ran down that roof and sat right there. So we may be getting into something, not really sure. The other side seems to be about the same way, and it seems like they tried to maybe clean it up or fix it up with some household glue or something. Looking under the car, it's pretty clean. You know, this is a 1987 and we're in 2021, so it's pretty old and it looks pretty damn good. And you know, knowing these cars were built like tanks, so I know this car will last way longer. This car runs and drives perfectly now. I'm not sure if this car has a 305 or 350 in it. I'm pretty sure when I looked it up it was a 350, but one way or the other, this motor's tired anyway. It runs good, but we got to put something a little bit more powerful in there. So if you want to see this thing get done, just like and subscribe, and I'll be doing updates on it here regularly. Um, you know, we got a lot to do. Hydraulics, paint, stripping it, the whole nine. So check back and see you soon. Later.